Ka Bureau jungka Indian Standards, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, jungka Sarkar India rengkat berka District Rural Development Agency, Southwest Kasils District. Lembat ke office jung Block Development Officer BDO Mawphor CNRD Block. Kila penolong ke program ban pesmutu Paidbah, halor kumno bentip bat itu ikimar ki mata ki bathok bat ki Bis Sha, nadu ki marba mardi ki Tiar light bat ki de. Ya ketika program la penlong conference hall jung office u Block Development Officer. Ha kabaki nawan na shimenta kilong nadu ki nalam shnong, nakaleng ki jaka jung Mawphor CNRD Block. Ha kaneka sngi, ki balawan mat Pynshai kilong do subham sanu, berka Bis Sha Jyoti Bis Sha. Ki badai ki Standard Promotion Consultant ka BIS, ha ka jinon lang ubak kes naitang District Program Manager, jong ka DRDA berkiwei. Ha bakran hakilat patai kubor hadin ka jing Pynshai Paidbah, ka Bis Sha Jyoti Bis Sha, ki badai ki Standard Promotion Consultant ka BIS. Kalau bakun kini ki jai program, kilong ki badan kam berkongsan hakini ka juk ka bamenta, babun na ki marthok, ki juro haki yeu ki hat, bagi Paidbah kilong kam halusiar berbantip ki Tiar ki Bis Sha, bat ki bathok lamba ki hallmark, ki license number. Bat kiwi bagi Paidbah kila aruban page, lamba ka BIS care up. Ban pati kenai ki mar ki bathok, bat ki Bis Sha.
Program, the sensitization of Gram Panchayat in Southwest Khasi Hills. So with this program from our Bureau of Indian Standards under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, what our motto was to aware the people of the village panchayats, to make them aware about real and fake ISI mark and how they can distinguish themselves and save themselves in the market from real mark and real ISI mark and fake ISI mark. So the process is that when you get to know what is a fake ISI mark and real ISI mark, the question arises that how they can distinguish it. So for that, our Bureau of Indian Standard along with Ministry of Consumer Affairs, we have launched one application, that is BIS Care app. So with this application, they can simply at the comfort of their home, they can verify a real ISI mark product, a hallmark product that gold jewelry pertains, and also many other products like electronic product for CRS. So for using this application, they don't have to pay any money in registration and anything. They can simply go to their Play Store, and for iPhone users, they can go to their App Store and they can simply download the application. And by using this application, they can simply verify which is a real ISI product and which is a fake ISI product. Okay, the question is like why people will download. So mostly whenever like the thing is why people will download the application, the question here is like when they download this application, it is for their benefit only. It doesn't benefit us, but it benefit them to be a aware consumer, to be a consumer who knows his rights and how they can file complaint. In this application, like a option is there to file a complaint, and if they don't want to like proceed to the application for filing a complaint, they can simply get the phone numbers that we have provided in the calendars that we distributed today. They can simply ring us up and call us up and know the process of how they can already register a complaint to the fake ISI product that they have got from the market. And while registering a complaint, most sometimes the consumer becomes conscious that if their identity will be revealed or not. But the case is that only BIS will know their identity, and the company or the product firm where they have filed the complaint, they will not know who is the person who have filed the complaint. So they will be completely anonymous to that company.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center